Good morning students, this is your EVS class, Environmental Studies. This is your book and we are going through the chapter Our Wonderful Body, which was your chapter number 2 in this your EVS book. Okay, this one, okay, about your body parts. Now in this chapter we had discussed so many parts of our body, their functions, the function of our leg, hand, our neck, everything we have discussed about. Now today we will go through the functions of our sense organs. Today we will study about our sense organs. Okay, so first of all we should know what are sense organs. Sense organs are the organs of our body which makes us to feel, which makes us to wonder the surroundings, what is going on in and let us to understand the things happening in our environment. Okay, so these are all our sense organs. These sense organs allow our brain to examine all these things. Okay, so this is we will go through the sense organs. Now how many sense organs we have? We have only 5 sense organs. Okay, which one? We have 5 sense organs. First one is eye, ear, nose. Fourth one is tongue, and the last I am writing here because there is not much space. Fifth one is skin. Okay, these are all our sense organs. Okay, so these 5 are our sense organs. They help us to know about our environment and they help us to know our brain, what is happening on. Okay, so the first one is eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. These are 5 sense organs. Okay, remember every time that there are only 5 sense organs in our whole body. Okay, so let me remind you once more. Sense organs, how many sense organs are there? 5. Eye, first one is eye. I know very well that you knows where is your eye. Here, eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. These 5 are your sense organs. So we will go through one by one. Okay, what are the functions of each one of these sense organs? Okay children, now we will go through the functions of sense organs. Now our sense organs perform different functions. Our eye has its different function. Although our whole body parts have different functions. Like that only these 5 sense organs there, and in those 5 sense organs all have different functions. So we will go through the first one, which is nose. According to your book, there is the first sense organ. Here is your nose. Okay, so the nose helps us to smell. We know about good or bad smell with our nose only. Now if you want to smell something, if you want to check that something, what is the smell of the thing, or what's the smell of a dish, or whatever you want to smell, then how could you smell? With your nose only. Then with while you are smelling with your nose, you get to know that the thing you are smelling is a bad smell or a good smell, because your nose allows you to smell and your nose allows you to smell and get know about the things, whether it is bad or good. So nose helps us to smell. Okay, so the function of the nose is to smell only. It helps us to smell the things. Okay, so it was the function of our nose. Now we will go through the eyes. It was nose, then eyes. I think you know why we use our eyes. We use our eyes to see. It's very common, it's very rare that we know that we use our eyes to see. So the eyes helps us to see all around, all the things around us. Okay, we know about the color, size and shape of things which are with our eyes. Now if if something is against behind you, then how you will know that how much big it is, how much the size of it, whatever you want. If you will see it, then only you will get to know the size of that object. Okay, so that when if you don't have eye, then how you will go to know about the object that you are seeing in the front of you, whether it is big or small, it is heavy or large, whatever you will see with your eyes only. So your eyes helps us to see. The function of your eyes helps us to see. Okay, so eyes is very important to us also, and it enable us to know the color, size of the object. Okay, now if you are seeing, if you are listening this video, then here you are seeing I am using different color chalks. Then how you come to know that I am using the different color chalks? With your eyes only. You are seeing the board, you are examining it, that ma'am I used this color, this is blue, this is, then with our eyes only you are able to know the color. Okay, so your eyes are very helpful to you, and they enable us to see the color, size and shape of the object. Okay, so we will go through ears. So the third one, it was the second one. The first was nose, and nose was nose enable us to smell, eyes to see, and after that ears. What our ears do? Ears also are very important. Okay, the ear helps us to hear. Why do you have got ears? You have got ears to hear the sound, the sound around you. So ears are very important, also very important, and they enable us to hear the sound. Okay, we know about pleasant and unpleasant sound with our ears only. Now, when there is a sound happening around you, then how you will come to know that this it's a good sound, it's a bad? I think you all like to listen music. Okay, now every person, every child have its own category of listening the music. Some listen loud, some listen very pleasant type. Okay, so you all have different choices. Now how do you get your choices? With your ears only. While you hear the music, then you come to know that the sound is some sounds are very loud and they are unpleasant, and some sounds are very pleasant, very normal, and they are very calm. Okay, so our ears helps us to hear the sound. Okay, here our ears are they help us to hear the sounds, making the sound, hear the sounds around us. Okay, so we know about the pleasant and unpleasant sound. Pleasant means very good and calm sound, and unpleasant means it's irritating sound. So how you will come to know the sound is pleasant or unpleasant? With your eyes only. Okay, if a sound is good, you may listen. If it's unpleasant, that if you are very you will get irritated, and because you are listening the sounds with your ears only. Now we will go through the tongue. This was the third one. What was the function of ears? To hear. Then we will go through the tongue. Now, tongue helps us to know food items with different tastes such as sweet, sour, bitter and salty. Now, what is the function of our tongue? Tongue will helps us to know the taste of something. Okay, if you are eating salt and sugar, okay, then the taste of these two are same? No, you get to know that this is salt, it's the taste of it is different from the sugar. Sugar is sweet. So with the help of tongue only, you will come to know the differences of the tastes between them. Like that only, tongue is tongue helps us to know about the taste, whether it is sweet. Sweet, you know, sweet means meetha. Now sour, bitter, sour means khatta. Bitter, you know what is the meaning of bitter? It's kadwa. If you eat kareli or that types of vegetables you eat? No, because you know that the taste of it is not good with the help of your tongue only. Now if you eat something salty, Okay, so these all things you will come to know about the tongue only. So the function of our tongue is to help the know the taste. Okay, so the function of our tongue is to taste. Okay, tongue, once more I am reading. Tongue helps us to know food items with different tastes such as sweet, sour, bitter and salty. Tongue helps us to know the different tastes such as sweet, sour, bitter and tasty. Okay, so it was a function of our tongue. It helps us to taste something. Now we will go through the last one, which is skin. I think everyone, you have got skin. Every human being have skins. These all 5 organs are present in every, these all are the parts of our body only. Okay, our body parts, and these all 5 are known as the sense organs. So skin helps us to feel hard, soft, tough, pricky, smooth, hot, cold and warm things. We touch things to feel them. Now how do you feel that something is very hot, something is cold? If you are touching a water bottle which is freeze and which has cold water in it, then you will come to know that it is very cold. How do you feel? With your skin only. Your skin feels it and it transfers to your brain, and your brain allows you so that it is very cold or it is very hot. And your skin is everywhere in your body. See, this is your skin. The upper layer of your body is your skin. So as skin helps us to feel hard, soft. It's the function of the skin is to feel. Okay, feel means that it will feel the hardness, softness or cold, hot, everything it will feel. Okay, so the function of the skin is to feel. Today we had gone through 5 sense organs, which was eye, ear, nose and tongue and skin. What was the function of eye? To hear. Eyes was to see, ear to hear, tongue to taste, skin to feel, and one more was ears to, nose to smell. Okay, so these were the function of our sense organs which are in our body. There are 5 sense organs: eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, so in our next class we will go through the next topic. Okay class.